up? What's up, guys? So today we have two little science, I can't think of the word now.
Wow. Wow.
Two little science activities. So the first one, Kaylee has some M&Ms. Show them the M&Ms, Kaylee. Bow! Alright, let's open them up. And you're going to put them in a circle.
Yeah.
And then we're going to show them whatever pattern you want. I can get this thing. Oh my god.
Oh my god. And shake your head. Oh.
Alright, I don't think you need that many. That's fine. There's like no red in there. Seriously? We got like 4 reds in this whole box? Okay. Alright, now put them in a circle like this. One here, like that. Put them in a circle, go ahead. You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, put them in a circle. Now while she does that, I'm gonna get this other one ready. So I'm just going to put some milk in this bowl. Sorry about that. So good job. So my activity, well, it's gonna be both of ours, but still, I'm gonna set it up. Put milk, and then with the milk, you put food coloring in the milk. Just drops. Don't move it around. Don't shake it. Just drops. And then you grab a Q-tip and put a little bit of dish soap on it, and then you just dip the Q-tip with the dish soap on it, and it makes cool things. You shall see. Kaylee's, she's putting the M&Ms in a circle, and then we're gonna put some water in it. You guys will see the effects. Alright, let me go get some milk. Okay guys, so the M&M project is almost done. Kaylee has a beautiful circle here of M&Ms. I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so now I just have this water bottle. None special. Just regular water bottle, room temperature water. And we're going to slowly add the water. Up. Now let's see what happens.
I'm making a color that's so beautiful color. Oh, wow, the color's coming out. The color is coming out.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. And it was gonna be cool. Guys, look at this video we got. Look at the colors doing. That's so cool.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah. the color's coming out.
You think it'll reach the middle, or you think it'll touch the whole thing?
How we put milk under.
The milk's for the other project.
So
Nice.
it's coloring.
Covering the middle?
Yeah. Do you just see that?
Let's focus. Dang it, and it just hit the middle.
It's so cool. It's done.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
So, did you like that one?
Yes.
Why do you think that all the colors went to the middle? Why do you think that happens?
Because put water on it.
We did put water on it. What's the science behind this, huh? What do you think, Haley?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, I don't know either. We're gonna Google it. Science behind dissolving M&M science project.
According to Ducksters, dissolving is when the solute breaks up from a larger crystal of molecules into much smaller groups or individual molecules. This breakup is caused by coming into contact with the solvent.
Okay. Any of y'all know any of them? I mean, I kind of do because we did it, but it's like, I want to know why it all just goes to the middle. It doesn't just stay around the M&M. So, next project! Now we're gonna get some milk. This has to be 100% fat. Like, it has to be whole milk. I don't know if it's supposed to be cold or warm, whatever, but we're gonna use it cold. Bow!
They use milk to the plate?
So I usually see people do like the drip one. We don't have the drip one. We have like the little hot thingies. So we have Q-tips. Here's your Q-tip. We're gonna use the Q-tips to dip the colors in the milk. So, what color do you want? There's blue. I want green. It's my favorite color.
Yeah, this is my favorite color too.
What is it? Yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open that for you. Don't lose the tapas, because then we're gonna forget the colors. Let's do some red. Alright, so these are the 4 colors that we're gonna use. Yellow, blue, green, and red. Okie dokie. So, get out of our water. Okay, so we're gonna grab this one's for this. This one's for that. So we're gonna dip the Q-tips in the color. Go ahead, Kaylee. Dip in the color. You're gonna a little bit. Don't do a lot. Just. Oh wait, continue coming up. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, wait, don't do it yet. Maybe I just didn't do enough. Grab a lot. So it'll drip. I wish I didn't forget the regular one. Alright, this stuff is not coming off. I'm just using my fingers. Alright, don't dip it back in. Hold on. Gotta find another way to do this. These can be for red. These two can be for yellow, so you don't mix the colors up. I'll do this part and then you can do the soap, okay? We can just get this done. Come on. Bam. Alright, so the last one is green. Do that one. You got some on your clothes. Alright, so you have dish detergent in a little container. You're gonna swirl this around. And Kaylee, all you have to do is dip it right in the middle. You gonna dip it?
Yeah.
Ready? I'll put it right here, right in the middle. Take it out. Wash the color from the hand. In other places, like. Damn, it's not working like it did in the video.
It's working.
I mean, I guess we could just do that, yeah. Try to not get in your clothes. Well, I mean, that's okay. Okay, so I don't know why my lens isn't focusing now. I don't know if I scratched it or something, but whatever. So that last project with the milk didn't go very well. I just think we didn't have the right food coloring. I will buy the right one and we'll try again. Did you have fun? Yeah. So thank you.
Say secret.
Come closer, Kitty. It'll focus if you're closer. Thank you everyone for coming.
Like, share, and subscribe. Like and subscribe, everybody.
Comment down below if there's other projects that you would like me and Kaylee to try out. We are so ready to try new things. Yeah, thank you.
Bye.